Good evening, traders. It's your boy PMHD from the FOREX&YOU Academy. I hope everyone had a great day. Hope everyone had a great trading day, by the way. We've just seen the big killing. And like I did say Sunday, that October is the month where it kills like the bears within the market. So we start to see that bearish momentum deplete and bulls stepping in really hard. Like I did say, this also shows from past data, and we've just been seeing rallies up, and yeah, the market is pushing bullish. And what more than to buy or look for buying opportunities, because the market is presenting itself with or rather showing a bullish momentum, even though we're not getting that what's this, an uptrend structure, but the market is pushing up and scaling down. I feel like you can get entries and get that trend formation within the lower time frames. Of course, if you can analyze on this 4H, when are you going to wait for that pullback to happen, get that higher low, and then get that reaction going back up? So that is why we are day traders, and that's why we came back with this new series of uploading daily, preparing for the next day ahead. Today it wasn't a lot of trades. We just took one trade on gold, which if we held would have just been something else. Okay? Would have been floating, I don't know, so many pips, but I was a bit skeptical. I did go in for my 1:3. I was happy with that, and I will post I did share on that free Telegram group and as well as the VIP members, but I will put up a screenshot just now. But yeah, that was the only trade for today, even though there were plenty of other opportunities. But yeah, just today I wasn't feeling it, And yeah, but let's just prepare for the next day ahead. I really had a bad start to my day, that's why. But anyway, let's see what we can work with going into tomorrow. Let me just start by clearing my charts. Let's see, I'm just gonna clear everything. I'm just gonna clear everything, and we'll see what we can work with, traders. But comment down below, just share what trades you've been able to catch. Yeah, man, let's talk, guys. More than anything, please do like, share, and subscribe. For the old viewers, welcome, and for the new viewers, welcome as well. Give you a warm welcome. And if by the end of this video you do like the content that we provide, please do hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, guys, so that every time we upload you get notified, or you are the first to be notified. But yeah, let's just get it going. It is the FOREX&YOU Academy. Yeah, man, October has just been wow. Oh, and another thing for gold, guys, I just feel like there are two things which I would put most emphasis on, like the worsening economic data and the surprise from the Australian Central Bank. A sign, no, the economy was overheating, right? And therefore central banks are racking up rate hikes just to sort of cool it down, cool down the economy. And therefore, a sign of slow growth means it started to cool down, which means less monetary intervention, like your rate hikes will be needed. Well, that's theory, And then you must also remember that sometimes, or for gold specifically, currently, like bad data or bad printouts is actually good when it comes to economic activities. So that's why you find gold rallying up as well. And first in line to show signs of slow growth was the Australian central bank, which came as a surprise, who predicted a lower than expected rate hike. So that was bad, although it was good somewhere, somehow, you know. So that is what has happened with gold as well. I feel like that's another indicator as to why gold is pushing up like this, you know. We've just been breaking here. Hey? Okay, we're gonna start off with this dollar index. We'll start by daily time frame. Okay, at the retest level. Already I can see that. So price did break and the candle has not yet closed. Ah, okay, fine. Price has broken this area right here in the market, but I don't like to work with this area, but I'll scale down and see. Price has broken this area in the market. I believe it might just be coming back for a retest. I'll mark off an area in the market that is keeping this high that we just printed, which I believe should be around here. So maybe we might get that double bottom continuation reaction, you know, right here. I don't know, but wait, let me just go to a monthly time frame and see what have we reacted to from the left. No, we still have a long way to go. Let me just see this, right? Because we do still have a long way to go if ever we're gonna reach the highs. Just give me a second. I'll get straight to you. Okay, I'm just gonna put these in and then we're just gonna move forward. Currently at the retest level. Okay, daily time frame. Okay, so like I did say, we're still looking very bullish. I don't know if you can see this. It's bullish. It's as clear as ABC, guys. You know, and maybe if you want to use your trend lines, I use brick wall. I don't use a trend line. Just put it somewhere right here. Yeah. So if you can get, some will say first, second, third touch, or this could be the first touch, because to draw a straight line you need 2 points, X, Y, and Z, whatever. But it would line up with the double bottom that I'm speaking about, you know. So going into the Asian session, what I'd like the market to do is come to this area right here, give us a reaction and give us not bulls, man. Yeah, bulls stepping right back in. If not, would want to see the break below, structure continuation back down to these lows, but we'll see how that goes. Or what might just happen is we might just get a pullback and continuation back down. But now we have to keep in mind that we said October is the month for big, it's a big killer, right? But within that big killer scenario thing, we haven't had a retracement. So if we can get the dollar index to react here and go back, so pairs like gold, GBP, USD will start to retrace, because essentially the dollar is just gaining that strength again. But just for a retest, then we might just see break of structures, break all, trend reversal and stuff like that. So yeah, but all we want to see going into tomorrow, or rather the Asian session, market to react at this current area right here, which is at 109.529, and we'll see how that goes. Of course, if we do break below it, we still have these levels to come back to. But let me just scale down to a 4 time frame. Just gonna disregard this for now. I mean, for hours we're getting different information, and like I did say from Sunday analysis, that we are starting to see patterns of a trend reversal, double top, break of the neckline, first lower high, first lower low, first lower high. We anticipate a new lower low, um no, the market was, yeah, had a new lower high. This was the anticipated lower high printed for a continuation back down. But as you can see, the market is still in a push phase, so I'd like to see a reaction first and signs of rejection. So we might just have the market still push back down here. Actually, let me try and just hurry up and be quick about this, guys. So yeah, dollar index, what I'd like to see market come to this area, give us a reaction or hold this level. Um, Bears depleting, bull stepping, and retest continuation, maybe just up to these highs right here. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, that is it. So looking for that daily double bottom formation. Gold will also start on a daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, we add a significant lower high right here, and you must just keep in mind that we've broken this lower high, which can now start to indicate that we are gonna see that trend reversal. And with dollar pushing from that double bottom support area, you might just get that gold retracement before continuation back up. But if you can also look at it from this level, we've broken the brick wall, so we need that retest. So like I did say, you're currently sitting at that key level, lower high key level, and we must keep in mind that we've broken this high low level right here, and we anticipate a retest back to these levels. So maybe going to tomorrow might look for those cells. I don't know. We'll see. Can't just confirm that yes, we are looking for those cells. No, we have to see how the market plays out. So scaling down to a lower time frame, what we want to see from the 4 hour is the market starting to react. Oh, this was okay. We want to see the market to start react. We want to see that bullish momentum starting to deplete. So we just want to see a reaction or price holding this level right here at 1729.119 for retest back. But let's just scale down one more time for maybe a clear structure. Okay, we already have a range that's in place. We already have this range that is in place, and the theory of a range, if we break either side, we continue in that direction. So we might just throughout the Asian session, we might just get that fill back down. Yeah. So maybe if you're planning, you might just get a trade down back to these lows right here. But we'll see how that goes. That's not the plan of action. So let me see. Okay. I don't know if we can increase this range. So essentially, if ever you're planning to trade this range at the break of this range, you can just target a few pips coming back down here to this retest area right here. But there's not much to look at right now. But if we can get that rejection, we are rejecting rather. Not currently, but the previous 4 hour candle did sort of reject, even though it closed strong bullish. But we need to see a reaction from this point, and if we get that strong bearish momentum candlestick, that would be great. But scaling down, I don't really have much, or we might just come back to this low right here for that probably double bottom as well continuation. So we need that retest before you can continue, and this can either happen during the Asian session. So that is it for gold, guys. And essentially, if we're gonna break this high, if we're gonna break this area in the market, the next traffic would be somewhere around here, which is just too close for my liking. That's why I'd like to see that pullback first before anything. But we'll see how the market plays out. So that is gold and silver as well, starting to show signs of depletion. All right, let me just see something. I want to see where it is right now. Just gonna mark off those. Where did we reach? Okay, I'm still below. I was still below this high right here. Okay, not really, but we're currently sitting below this. Okay, let's look at it from a daily perspective as well. Is my mic? Oh, okay, my mic is perfect. So, as you can see, silver is at a level where previously it has gotten that momentum from, where sellers stepped in, and sellers stepped in for like the whole month of July, and we're currently sitting at that level. So we are likely to get a reaction from this level right here, you know. So it lines up with the pullback that we need. Like we need a pullback, we need a pullback. So anyway, we are like silver is starting to show signs of bullish momentum depleting. So let's just scale down to a lower time frame. Okay, what can we work with right here? Essentially, if you're going to want to see the market start turning bearish, you would like to see the break of the low right here, continuation back down. So break of this level right here, 20.783. Usually with such a move, let me see something. With such a move, we might just get like, okay, 50% is there. Let me measure this move only. 50, 60 is around this level. So, okay, possibly. We'll see. Maybe we might just get a retracement back here. I don't know. But just don't be greedy. Take what you need and leave the market, guys. So, yeah, would like to see the market first break this level, retest, continuation back down. Let's scale down M30. What can we see? So M30, a level that's holding this high is this right here. I don't want to scale down too low, guys. Now we start moving structures, but I mean that's okay. Just moving the way it wants. That's okay. I'll just leave it. But personally, I'd be comfortable to have the break of 20.783 first, even though we're showing signs, or a nice bearish 4H candlestick close, just to maybe cover these few candles from the left right here. So that is it for silver. How many minutes have I been recording? 18. Okay, let's get it. GBP USD. Start from a daily time frame as well. Daily time frame, everything is lining up, guys. We're at the retest level. Might just start to see that pullback. So let's see. Currently at the retest, I'm not gonna move anything. So what we want to see from this retest area right here is the market starting to show signs of bullish depletion. And if we can scale down to a lower time frame, we're expecting the market to at least pull back to is this level right here. Even though, yes, we do have this retest area. Oh my word. Even though, yes, we do have this retest area right here, but it would be safe to also look for more sells. Maybe there are a few people who are comfortable waiting for the break of 1.133, but some of you guys can also jump in of the high scaling down, using scaling down techniques, of course. But yeah, if we do start to sell, then we are gonna be seeing something else. So let me just gauge something real quick. Okay, can I have that? So this is what you can have right here. Market has been pushing bullish for a very long period of time, starting to show signs of a level holding within the market, right? Can't really say this is our first low, but it's still holding. So what I'd like to see is this: the break of this level that has been created, a retest, deep pullback, continuation back down. You know, so that's what I'd like to see happen first. So break of this low right here, retest, continuation back down. So that will be it for GBP USD. But essentially, you can also wait for a nice bearish candlestick close. You know, as much as we've broken this level right here, but I'll just stick to the daily time frame analysis, whereby we are at sitting at the retest level, and we do have a strong bullish candlestick, and there's 11 minutes until it closes, so it might close bullish, very bullish, but we'll see how that goes. The only thing I'm looking for is if it does, not if it does, it's probably going to close strong bullish, so we might just get a retest, continuation back up, you know. But in order to start looking for those sells, maybe you might like to see the break of 133. So yeah, that is it for USD, guys. GBP USD, sorry. So essentially, you can wait for the retest at this retest level at, what's this, at this level here, 1.39, for continuation back up, right? So that's safe way, I guess. So okay. So hey guys, October is coming with the heat. So this is our low that held this new lower low that was printed, and essentially from that we only have a high, which maybe I'd possibly like to mark off from here, unless I have to adjust it. Okay, so the market is at the retest level. We've broken this lower high structure, which yes, we might close above it, I believe. But going into tomorrow, then I'd like to see a retest back into this level before we see that continuation back up. You know, this might just be an area in the market where it starts to react, coming back just to give us that support structure or lower, higher low, before we can start to see the market actually like come to these highs before that structure right here, but come to at least these highs. And if we do get a retest, maybe just a deep one, and we might just see another. Oh, by the way, it did hit 200 pips. Oh, this is another 200 pip move, 270 by the way. But we did essentially hit that previous 200 pip move from the Sunday analysis. Was it Sunday? Yeah, I think Sunday. But yeah, so that is it. Plan of action, GBP JPY, get a pullback retest at the recently broken, not broken, but it's gonna break eventually after this daily candle close. Broken lower high. Start to see that bulls continue stepping in. So that is it for GBP JPY, and I believe that is it all for today, guys. This is your new series, your daily trade ideas and focus, provided to you by the FOREX&YOU Academy, guys. But anyway, if you do like the content that we provide, please do hit that subscribe button. Please do turn on that notification bell and hit that like button, guys. More than anything, we love you. It's your boy BMHD signing out.